Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare spirulina versus whey protein. Let's dive into their protein content. Spirulina, a blue-green algae, is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Whey protein, derived from milk, is also a complete protein, particularly high in branched-chain amino acids like leucine, crucial for muscle synthesis. Both are excellent choices for supporting muscle development and recovery. Beyond just protein, these supplements offer distinct nutritional profiles. Spirulina is packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants such as phycocyanin, which gives it its unique color. It's also a good source of iron and B vitamins. Whey protein, on the other hand, provides beneficial compounds like immunoglobulins and lactoferrin, which can help support your immune system. Your choice depends on your broader dietary needs. Considering digestion and absorption is key for optimal benefits. Whey protein is known for its rapid digestion and absorption, making it a popular choice immediately after workouts for quick muscle repair. Spirulina, with its soft cell wall, is also very easily digestible, allowing your body to efficiently absorb its nutrients. While both are generally well tolerated, some individuals might find one easier on their stomach than the other. Finally, let's consider cost and versatility. Whey protein is generally more affordable per serving, making it a budget-friendly option for many. Spirulina, while potentially pricier, offers a broader spectrum of micronutrients and antioxidants, appealing to those seeking a superfood boost. The best choice truly depends on your specific dietary goals, preferences, and budget. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.